Ngoba kuhle kuphindze ngihlanganyele nawe mbukeli wetindzaba tesiswati la ku SABC. Sitetfula bukhoma etindlini tekusakata te-SABC Auckland Park eJozi lishonile. Nati lethamba yembili lomuhla.
I have expressed my concern and my disappointment at what AfriForum and Solidarity have been doing in spreading misinformation about their own country in the United States.
Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa ulugcekile luhambo lwe-AfriForum lwekuya eMelika.
Ukuthi kwenzakaleni asikakayitholi i-report ephelele ukuthi kwenzakaleni sisarilayo ukuthi amaphoyisa ayenza ucwaningo lawo.
Kushone bantfu labalishumi-nesitfupha kwaphuthwenyiswa esibhedlela labangemashumi-45 kulandzela ingoti lehlatimulisa umtimba ku-R21 ekuruleni.
They have so much quality and a great manager because he lets the team play in a way that it's not easy to play against this team and he brings the best out of every player.
Kunemidlalo yemakota final emlende wesibili e-UEFA Champions League lomuhla ebusuku. Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa ulugcekile luhambo lwe-AfriForum lwekuya eMelika. Uthi leli qembu likhombise kwedzelela umthetho-sekelo nemithetho yekusebenzisana nemave emhlaba. Mengameli uphindze wakhuluma ngeludzamba lwetakhiwo ncanti kuleli ikakhulu edolobheni laseJozi. Ramaphosa bekaphendvula imibuto lomuhla ePhalamende.
Honorable the President.
Mengameli Ramaphosa uthi uhulumende utaqhubeka nekwakha takhiwo ncanti letisha. Uthi uhulumende utshala imali lenyenti tikwetakhiwo ncanti nasekulungiseni lidzaba lwagezi. Wengete ngale ukuthi uhulumende akatshala imali ngasese.
It is essential that government and business work together to scale up investment in infrastructure. This includes undertaking structural reforms to remove the binding constraints of energy supply and inefficient freight and logistics.
Ramaphosa uthi sewukhulumile nalabathinzekako kuletinkinga letihlasela elidolobha iJozi. Uthi leli dolobha litawubuyela esimeni njengoba nelidolobha iThekwini likile labukana nesimo lesifanako ngaphambilini. Evikini eliphelile mengameli wente libito lokuthi kulungiswe tinkinga letihlasela eGauteng letifake ikhatsi takhiwo ncanti letigugile.
I did go to Johannesburg and in our various interactions with a number of key role players in Johannesburg, we were able to find a way in which Johannesburg can be turned around.
Mengameli uphindze waphawula ngelihambo lwe-AfriForum lwekuya eMelika. Uthi le nhlangano kufuze iyekele ukukhuluma kabi leli emaveni angaphandle ngelidzaba lekubuyiselwa kwemhlaba kubanikati bemdzabo. Uthi batawuthumela lithimba eMelika litawucacisa kabanti ngemithetho yakuleli lefake ikhatsi nalena yemhlaba.
I have expressed my concern and my disappointment at what AfriForum and Solidarity have been doing in spreading misinformation about their own country in the United States. And I regard that as being non-patriotic.
Ramaphosa uthi uhulumende utaqhubeka nekutfola tindlela tekuvula ematfuba emisebenzi. Uthi kunetindlela letisetjentiswa nguhulumende kuqinisekisa ukuthi bantfu belibala lelimnyama nalabasikati batfola ematfuba lanele emnothweni.
Likomiti lelibuke tasekhaya ePhalamende live imibono leyahlukene ngesimo salakukhicitwa khona imiculo yahulumende eGovernment Printing Works. Lenkampani yabika tinkinga tekungahloniphani, kweba kanye nekungavani emkhatsini kwemcashi netinyonyane. Emalunga ePhalamende lavakashele emahhovisi alenkampani ePitoli asola sikhulu sakhona lesetulu ngekwesifela buhlakani bekhola.
Tikhulu te-Government Printing Works tivele ngembi kwelikomiti kutotiphendvulela ngetinsolo letendiwe tinyonyana. Sikhulu Alina Fosi sisole tinyonyana ngekuthikameta lutindo.
We have managers who are part of the unions. We're talking executive and senior managers. Information leakage has been the source, has been a critical challenge.
Emalunga ePhalamende lavakashele inkampani Bosman Printing Factory lapho timphepha letibalulekile letifana nabomatisi, emapassport netitifiketi letivela etikweni letemfundvo ticoca lehlukile indzaba.
If you are saying that the machines are obsolete, that's one thing. But then to leave the person in that environment where you can't breathe properly without PPE shows a real lack of care.
She really came here wanting to play a victim. She lacks accountability?
We must be really worried when there is an attempt, I will call it an attempt, to hollow out the capacity of the state, to render the state incapable.
Nendvuna elitiko lasekhaya iuhambile lo mhlangano.
The oversight visit, the report, the guidance that we received even before going there most recently was all very valuable in framing for us, the DM and myself, in terms of what we need to look out for and what some of the issues are that you observed.
Leli komiti livumile ukuthi litawubuye lihlangane futhi kutobukisisa letinkinga.
Let's appreciate
Loluphakelo timali lolutako luchazwa njengalolo lolumatima ngemuva kwekuthi tinhlangano letingaphansi kwahulumende welibumbano wavelonke tingavumelani lokwaholela ekutheni lugcine luhlehliswe lekuyintfo lebe ingakalindeleki. Bosomnotfo bathi intfo lekhona la kuloluphakelo timali lwakusasa kubona ukuthi ingabe hulumende uhlela ukuthi uyifaka njani imali emitlamini yakhe ngemuva kwekuthi kumiswe kukhuliswa kwe-VAT nga 2%. Lokhu bekutawuholela ekutheni i-VAT ime ku-17%. Indvuna yetimali inogodongwana kulinzeleke ukuthi yetfule luphakelo timali kusasa.
Given the challenges
indvuna yetemafa inogodongwana ibukene nekumatima bekulinganisa imphahla ngalana tikweleti tembuso letisetulo yehluleka kwetfula luphakelo timali kule nyanga lefile kulandzela ukuthi tinhlangano letingaphansi kwembuso welibumbano wavelonke tingavumelani ngekukhuliswa kwe-VAT nga 2% tindlela hulumende latfola ngato imali.
We could the wasteful expenditure, get rid of corruption, de-bloat, for want of a better description, the cabinet, and collect the taxes that is due.
Njengobe umnotho ubanzetelekile timali tahulumende tiphansi encinzetelo umnotho wakuleli wakhula nga 0.6 nyakenye kanti umgcini mafavelonke bekulinzelwe 0.8%. That kithi lokhu chaza ukuthi imali incane kunalebe ilinzelekile.
South Africa is not in the best economic trajectory in terms of growth. And it begs the question of whether the 1.9 that's been forecasted for 2025 will materialize when the base has to be, you have to rebase the growth to 0.6.
Tikweleti tahulumende tiyingqinamba kanti umgcini mafavelonke uthi kukhokhelwa letikweleti kudla 22% kulonke leshumi lelizuzwa nguhulumende lokudla imali yaleminye imiklamo.
Increase in revenue from VAT, it will simply mean that our deficit is higher, which means government has to borrow more, and that will push the debt to GDP ratio to above 75%.
Kungedwa kwekusetshenziswa kwemali kuluphakelo timali kufaka ekhathi nalokuthi uhulumende kumele athole imali yekwenta imiklamo yelitiko letempilo kulandzela ukuthi kugodla kwemelika lusitho letimali lebeliletha kuleli.
Indvuna yetemafa inogodongwane ivuse iningizimu Afrika emacanzini emakhikhi abhobokile kudeke naletinye tindlela kanti uma uhulumende angenyusinzela lokho kungaholela ekutheni kuncishiswe imali lebuke tetempilo temfundvo kanye nemali yesibonelelo lesike simo lesibukene naso kepha kukhuluma kabandi ngaloludzaba sinasomnotfo lotimele Bongani Mahlangu asibingelele sikwamukele tindzabente SABC.
Lapha studio nababukele emakhaya.
Somnotfo asicale nje ngekuva ukuthi yini lesingayilindzela kusasa.
Kwamanje akunzima ukusho ngoba nalokho esikuzwayo ukuthi bavumelane iGNU ivumelane ngokuthi bangakhuphula but bakhuphule nga less than 2% babheke kwezinye indawo and mara nawulalela yena lona uminister usamile kuleyo ukuthi kumele kukhuphuke. In fact uze athi itsila kuyakhutshulwa iVAT nge 2% leyo or labantu bathola ama social relief of distress grant ama SRD or ama 350 angeke basawathola, which is lento esibiza ngokuthi false dilemma and wrong ngoba ikhoza ukuthi abantu emphakathini bangasazwani abahluphekana abangasebenzi nalabo abasebenzayo bazikhonayo bagcine sebangasazwani, so ku reckless. But kunzima ukusho kwamanje kuzomela vele sibone kusasa ukuthi senza kwenziwa kanjani. However uminister akafuna ukuthinta kwamanye ama-tax. For instance, kukhona i-study esenziwe uProfessor Jantjies u-Parliamentary Budget Office. Kule study sakhe uthi now akhuphula i-wealth tax nga 0.5%, izokhona ukugenerate the very same amount as i-VAT at 2%. And to minister lezo akazikhulumi. And phezu kwalokho nakuthi kucheckwa lento zokuthi no nakukhutshula i-VAT ngoba i-regressive izolimaza kakhulu abantu abaku-quintile 1 and 2 in terms of ama-income expenditure, abantu abahlupheka kakhulu nabantu abangaholi kahle. Bayakhohlwa nokuthi over the years i-middle class yase-South Africa nayo iyaloku yasogola baseyikolodweni eziningi, and now akhuphula futhi i-VAT or i-personal income tax itarget lawo ma-income groups kuzoba worse isimo. So uminister ngiboni ukuthi uzimisele ukuthi azwele abantu base-South Africa.
Kunamahlebedi lathi hulumende ude imali. Ingabe itawubuya kuphi le mali lekutawukhulunywa ngayo kusasa? Kulenzela letawunyuswa na?
Njengoba ngisho ukuthi abantu abaningi kusukela i-budget lehluleke ukuthi i-table ngoba lena is just i-tabling nge-budget sesenama discussions azotake place after lokho. But abantu abaningi bakhuluma izinto eziningi ukuthi bheka i-wealth tax, bheka i-corporate income tax eku-27%, now ayikhuphula at least by 1% khona ozokuthola lapho. Bheka ama-illicit capital outflows, bheka ama-revenue losses, siwabiza ngokuthi ama-leakages ezwa ngama-fruitful and wasteful expenditure. Bheka i-reprioritization, bheka lokhu. So zonke lezi zinto lezi zingasebenza, but into ebalulekile kumele siyikhulume la ukuthi le budget lena ezoproposwa kusasa nakube kuzoyenzeka kumele kube i-budget e-pro growth ngoba sikule nkinga esikuzo ngenxa yokuthi i-economy yethu ayikhuli. Ngizwile nikhuluma before singena ukuthi ulonyaka ondlulile, I think in the last quarter economy ikhule nga 0.6%. Over the past 11 years economy yethu beloku ikhula nga 0.8%. Ihluleka nokubamba 1%. Kunama province ahluleka ngisho nokukhula at 0.5%. Ngikhuluma ngabo Northwest abakhula ngabo 0.3 0.4%. Sinama province ayi2 kuphela economy yabo worth 1 trillion, eGauteng neKZN, the rest are less than 1 trillion. Yes, Western Cape seduze, maybe nabangazimisela bangayibamba 1 trillion. So ngayenza ama example amaningi abo deindustrialization over iminyaka nan. Kodwa if lezi zinto azilungi kulonyaka ozayo ngalesikhathi sabe sikhuluma into efanayo.
Ngifasibona kakhulu isikhathi sakho.
Mina ngiyathokoza.
Ngobongani Mahlangu longisomnotho Lotmele. Kushone bantu labalishumi-nesithupha kwaphuthunyiswa esibhedlela labangamashumi-45 kulandzela ingoti lehlatimulisa umtimba emigwaqeni R21 longithela wayeka edvuto nesikhumulo setindiza i-OR Tambo Airport.
Lilunga lelikomiti lasodolobha elihlangothini lwemigwaqo netekthutha eGuruleni Andile Mgwevu uthe amalunga emindeni alabo labathintekako atile kutohlola abafanise nebuhlobo.
Bona labantu basemoshari bazothatha zona laba abangasekho emhlabeni bazothi mase baqedile bese abemthetho ba clear isini bese ke siyakhona ukuthi umgwaqo uqhubeke usebenze njengenjwayelo. Ukuthi kwenzakaleni asikakayitholi i-report ephelele ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Sisarelayo ukuthi amaphoyisa ayenza ucwaningo lawo, but athi mase waqedile bese ke asinikeza i-report ephelele sikhona ukuthi bese sithatha izinyathelo ngaloko kwenzekile.
Belusito lolphuthumako bagcine bakhonile ukutabula labagibeli lababili labekade bavaleleke ngaphasi kwalebhasi.
Kuletinye masibuya ititolo. Tikhulu telemelika nele Ukraine tihlangene eJeddah eSaudi Arabia. Asikomukele mukele esigabeni sesibili setindzaba tesiswati uma ucedza ngena ukhethe kahle disekhona hlala nathi. Tikhulu telemelika nele Ukraine tihlangene eJeddah eSaudi Arabia. Lokhu ke kuta ngemuva kwemaviki lamabili lamave solo ahlangana eWhite House eWashington. Kulomhlangano kuthi ngidva lembi lechubeka eUkraine nekuthi kulungiswe budlelwane balamave lamabili.
Tikhulu letivela eUkraine nasemelika ticalile tinkhulumo eJeddah eSaudi Arabia kuti totfola sombululo kulembi lechubeka eUkraine. Mengameli wase-Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky kanye namabhalane welemelika Marco Rubio bahlangene kwehlukana nenkosana yase-Saudi Arabia nandunankulu wakhona Mohammed bin Salman Al Saudi.
The only solution to this war is diplomacy. getting them to a table where that's possible.
iMelika inemcondo ukuthi Ukraine kanye neRussia kumele babophele isivumelwaneni sekucetha lempi.
We have to understand the Ukrainian position and just have a general idea of what concessions they'd be willing to make, because you're not going to get a ceasefire and an end of this war unless both sides make concessions.
iUkraine ithi beyisole intataba ukuthola isisombululo ngekusheshsha.
We have to clearly understand that the ceasefire is not the goal of Ukraine. The goal of Ukraine is sustainable peace, and the deprival of Russia of the opportunity to attack Ukraine again anytime in the future.
Tonke tinhlaka leti kulomhlangano kunelithemba ukuthi kutawuba nesivumelwano sekuletha kuthula.
Sikubutile mbukeli ukuthi kukuphatha njani wena ukuthi inzela nobe ke ivet ngalamafisha itawuphinze ikhulele wena ekhaya ngemva kwekwetfulwa kweliphakelo imali kusasa. Umbono wakho uyalandzela.
Ngithi ungiphathi kahle kakhulu ngoba siyabona ukuthi leli vini kwejelela kudla kuyadula kumba eqolo. Kanti ke nemathuba emsebenzi kude kuleli vini lonke jikelele.
Impela njengezakhamuzi ayisijabulisi lento yokunyuka ikakhulukazi kwentela ngoba sibukeka sizoba nenkinga kakhulu njengezakhamuzi ezingathathi intweni.
Kuzathanda banzima xa kunyuke VAT. Ukutya bekuhlele kudura. Transport sisebenzela ukutya netransport
phatha kabi kakhulu ukunyuka kwentela eningizimu Afrika ngoba kuzosifaka ngaphansi kwengcindezi abantu abaningi manje abasebenzi imisebenzi ayikho ayitholakali.
Siyibhadala ngani lentela engaka na ake basizwele kodwa mana
kumele ukuthi uhulumende azame ngato tonke tindlela ukuthi bayilungisa kanjani naye indzaba yenzeka.
Lona ngumbono wembukeli iSABC ngeke yetfeswe kudiphendulela ngawo. Kusolwa kuthengwa kwempahla kanye nekulawula njengembangela yekungendi kahle kwesiteshi lesiphehla gesi iKendal Power Station eOhisi eMpumalanga. Indvuna yagesi nemandla Dr. Hosiyenso Ramahupa uvakashele le station ngemva kwekuthi inkampani lephehla gesi Eskom icishe gesi ngenhloso yekuwonga.
Summer demand is lower, we ramp up maintenance. When we enter the winter period coming towards the end of April, we're going to taper down maintenance. I mean, just to give you a sense, when we were in December, maintenance was about 8,000 megawatts. When we go now into the winter period, we'll bring it down to about 3,000 megawatts. So it means that we have an additional 5,000 megawatts capacity so that we are able to sustain the supply. But what will be unique this time around is that we are now having a new generation capacity from Kusile unit number 6, and we are returning from old long outage Midupi unit number 4. So we are confident about the winter outlook.
Nasivakashele timakethe tetimali sitfola ukuthi lirandi lehlile nelicathaniswa netimali twakulamanye emave. Kutemidlalo kunemidlalo yemakota final emlende wesibili lomuhla eUEFA Champions League. Kanti iLiverpool itawuvakashelwa iPSG eAnfield kuthi ke iBarcelona itfolana neBenfica yakule Portugal. Umdlalo weBarcelona neBenfica kutawuba ngumdlalo wokuqala lomuhla.
Liverpool lehlele kunombolo 1 Premier League itawuvakashelwa iPSG lomuhla ebusuku. Umqeqeshi weLiverpool aneslot uthi kumele badlale kahle kuthi baphumelele lo mdlalo njengoba iPSG nebumatima.
So they have so much quality and a great manager because he lets the team play in a way that it's not easy to play against this team, and he brings the best out of every player, and he brings incredible work rate in the team.
Kusenjalo umqeqeshi wePSG Luis Enrique ukholelwa ukuthi indlela iqembu lakhe lidlala ngayo unelithemba lokuthi litawuphumelela lo mdlalo.
Siempre optimista en lo que pueda hacer mi equipo.
But I'm always optimistic with regards to what my team can do. And it's obvious that it comes down to controlling the important phases of the game, and you do that by attacking all as one, by defending as one, by having the ball as long as possible and creating attacking opportunities through that.
generar nuestras situaciones de ataque.
iBenfica lehlule iBarcelona ngeligoli linye ecanzini ikhona lekutheni etawulungisa emaphutha lomuhla.
We feel that we have a decisive match, but we must have the courage and vision to play our style, create our chances, score our goals, to stay ahead in the competition.
Kulomunye umdlalo iBayern Munich itawuthola neBayer Leverkusen lomuhla ebusuku.
Kuna Sibusiso Mahlalela kulethamba embili kulethuma embiteni kuligwalagwala FM. Sibu kuneliphakelo timali kusasa lekungilo indzaba mlonyeni. Ngabe usiphathele tiphi?
Alishone Rebecca sevusela kumbukela tindzaba teswati ku SABC1 khona ke ekhasi phezulu tindzaba lethinza liphakelo timali njengoba ke lindwa ngemehle labovu erangeni lakusasa sinawuba singabe ke mhlawumbe bahlali bakule level eNingizimu Afrika bafuna kuva ini kundvuna godongwana nangabe batfula nalo liphakelo timali lelibeketiwe elangeni lakusasa kusifundza seMpumalanga litiko letuthuthukiswa kwemnotfo netekuvakasha bekaselivakashela emasipala waseNkomazi endzaweni kaMachekeza lapho lebehlola khona diphazati endzawo lekutfolakala khona kusicishe elinye getiphaza lisenza imikhiqizo lesiphelelo ke isikhathi sinalo ke lelitiko namhlanje ambama kulihlelo liphuma embiteni ngesimbi yesithupha kuzimade bensimbi yesikhombisa asibonge Rebecca nelisimba lakho eJozi inzamba balehle mbukele ekhaya
Sibonge kusiphansi embombela tikuca lapho ke talomuhla asiphinze sihlangane ngalwesine tikhona tesindebele kusasa bese kuthi ke uma kubumbana yesikhombisa lomuhla tikhona ngelimi lwesiXhosa ungaphuthelwa simo selitulu ngemva kwetitolo. Kanzike mbukeli stakshiyani titfombe temkhosi webuganu lebe ubungatwa kuleswatini kulempela sonto lephelile uhanjelwe bosomlomo bemaphalamende lafaka ekhathi leNingizimu Afrika, Kenya, iZambia neleNigeria. Ngikusho ke kwePhalamende leswatini lo walonyaka umcimbi uvule inkundla ebumbana nekubuka ke tingcinamba letibukene nebantfu labasikade eNingizimu nengabazi yeAfrika. Nginibingelele ngiphinze nginamukele kunasi isimo selitobole emakhaya sanibona nesibona namhla kusihlo sibona ngathi ihlobulela pension langa likapa kanzi ke enhlane live bonakala ngasemathuba lamahle emvula ngicina safe khona ku 60% kanzi ke bonke emakhaya langa lasasa solabele silenjawo lamathuba emvula afika khona eningizimu live kanzi ke kuyofika khona enhlane live cishe even ngoba emakhaya amafuwa emvula lamahle ngicina safe khona ku 30% lapha letinye indzawo zeliphakeme bonke emakhaya sibona ngathi setrace obiye khona South African Weather Service bonakala ngathi ke nalifuma kakhulu lapha enhlane Liverpool amakhala kungena khona lapha eGauteng ngoba emakhaya kanzi ke langa lasasa lokubele silenjalo liyathuma kakhulu etindzawo kanzi kunomoya lomatima lapha elwandle lapha eNtshonalanga Kapa emakhaya kanzi kufuthumala kwelive nasibuka la endzaweni lapha esifundeni lapha eLimpopo Polo khona itakucela ku 7 Nyulo ku24 Mokopane hleli ku 27 Belabela ahleti lapha ku 26 kanzi babule emakhaya sihle endanse esifundeni lapha eMpumalanga lapha endzaweni lapha eCarolina hleli lapha ku 18 sekunda icela lapha ku 13 Nyulo ku 25 hleti lapha emalahleni nayo hleti lapha ku Middelburg uhleti lapha ku 26 hleli endanse esifundeni lapha eKwaZulu Natal endzaweni lapha eThekwini hleti khona lapha ku 29 Ithekle 26 kanzi ke ihlazibehlela ku 29 kanye neUlundi kanzi lapha ekusahleli khona ku 22 silendansi lapha eMpumalanga Kapa Mthatha hleli ku 27 kuManhleli hleli ku 26 kanzi ulomo ihleli lapha ku 27 emva kwamadina kanzi ke singena khona lapha eNtshonalanga Kapa eCape Town ihleli khona lapha ku 32 kanzi ke eKlanyule hleli ku 39 kanzi Beaufort West hleli lapha ku 32 sinyuka khona isifundeni safe lesikhuluma totonke endzaweni lapha eAppington hleli ku 34 Khavini hleli ku 36 kanzi Southern uhleli lapha ku 32 kanzi ke isifundeni safe leslandla lakho lapha eFree State wabule emakhaya endzaweni lapha behlelo khona lapha ku 26 welcome thethi lapha ku 29 buka ngathi ngiloko lengiphathela buya lokuhle etinhlelweni lanzelako nisalene kahle.